Hello friends, in this video lecture we are going to see if statement. This if statement is conditional statement. It is used to control flow of execution of statement. It's a two-way decision statement and it is used in conjunction with an expression. Statement block may be single statement or a group of statement. In the syntax, that is general form, you can see this is statement block. Okay, here you can have one or more statements. If the test expression, that is condition, is true, then statement block will be executed. Otherwise, statement block will be skipped and execution will jump to the statement X. Means if this statement expression, if this condition is true, then this statement block will be executed. If the condition is false, then this statement X will be executed. Let's see the flow chart. If test expression is true, then statement or block of statements will be executed. Then there is end of if statement, and if any default statement is provided, in that case default statement will be executed. Now let's see. Here I am going to open the compiler, that is dev cpp. I write program here. Hash include stdio.h. Write main function. Under main function, you take under the main function you take integer a. Now with the help of printf, enter value of a. Okay. Using scanf, store the value of a, %d, %a. Then write condition here, that is test expression. I write here a equals to 5. Okay, if this condition is true, a is %d. If this condition is true, then this printf statement will be executed. Otherwise, default statement, I write here default statement, value of a is displayed. Get character if required. To understand this test expression, I put curly braces here. Okay, and inside the curly braces I write this printf. Means this if is basically block. Okay, if this condition is true, then this printf statement will be executed. If false, this will not be executed. And this is default statement. Printf value of a is displayed is a default statement. This statement will be executed on both the conditions. Variable is missing. Compile this and run. Value of a is 5. Okay, then a is 5 and value of a is displayed. Both the statements are executed. Okay, means using this you can draw flowchart. You have to enter value of a here, and the condition is a equals to 5. If the enter value is 5, means condition is true, the statement will be executed. Otherwise, statement will be skipped and the default statement will be executed. Now try to enter another value. Enter value of a other than 5. I enter value of a is 6. Then value of a is displayed, that is default statement is executed. Okay, that is about the if statement. Now next statement is if else statement. This if else statement is like a if statement where the another condition, another side, that is false side, having else statement is mentioned. If statement followed by an optional else statement which executes when the Boolean expression, that is condition, is false. In that case, else statement will be executed. And if this condition is true, then the block of statement, this block of statement will be executed. I write here block 1 will be executed if condition is true, and this block 2 will be executed if condition is false. And statement X is basically default statement which is outside the block. Okay, the statement X, that is default statement, will be executed with either of the block, either this block or this block. Okay. Let's see flowchart of this. This is the Boolean expression. You can have the same example. Let's say value of A. Expression is if A equals to 5. If this is true, then this body of if will be executed, and if the Boolean expression, that is condition, is false, in that case this body of else will be executed, and there is default statement, that is statement X, will be executed along with either of this statement, either body of else or body of if statement. Okay, let's see the program. We have already used if condition here. Now I use else statement here. Okay, under else statement I write A is not %D. Okay, two blocks are there, if block and the else block. If condition is true, this block will be executed. If condition is false, this block will be executed. Compile this, run this program. Value of A is 5. If block is executed, that is A is 5 and the value of A is displayed, that is a default statement. Now enter value of 5 other than, now enter value of A other than 5. I enter value of A is 10. A is not 10, that is else block is executed along with the default statement. So that is about the if else statement. If you like this tutorial, then please like this video, share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.